Let's read a story on mat. Beginning sounds for Book 1. M, moon. A, apple. T, table. S, sun. Mat, sat. Sam, sat. Mat, sat, Sam, sat. Mat, sat on Sam. Sam sat on mat. Mat sat. Sam sat. The end. Sam. Beginning sounds for Book 2. C, cat. D, dog. Sam and cat. Mat and cat. Sam, mat and cat. Cat sat on Sam. Mat sat on Sam. Sad Sam, sad mat. Sam sat, mat sat. Okay Sam, okay mat, okay cat. The end. Dot. Beginning sounds for Book 3. O, as in word, octopus. H, as in word, hat. G, as in word, goat. R, as in word, rabbit. Dot has a hat. Dot has a cat. Cat has a hat. Dot has a dog. Dog has a hat. Dog has a rag hat. Sad dog. Sad dot. Sad cat. Dog has on a rag hat. The end. Mac. Beginning sound for Book 4. B, ball. Mac had a bag. The bag had a dog. Mac had a bag and a dog. Mac had a rag. Mac can tag Mag. Mac got the rag. Mac sat on the rag. Mag sat on the bag. The end. Dot and Mitt. Dot has a cat. The cat is Mitt. Dot and Mitt sit on a mat. Dot is hot. Mitt is hot. Dot did nap. Mitt did not nap. Sit. Dot. Dot did not nap. The end. Dot and the dog. This book adds question mark. Dot had a bag. The bag had a tag. Is the bag hot? The bag is hot. Dot had a dog. The dog is Mag. Mag got the bag. Dot got Mag. Dot sat. Did Mag sit? Mag sat on the bag. Mag hit the bag. Dot got Mag and the bag. The bag had a hot dog. The end. Jig and Mag. Jig is a big pig. Jig can dig and dig. Mag can dig and dig. Did Jig win? Did Mag win? Jig did win. Jig and Mag ran. Mag can tag Jig. Mag did win. The end. Muff and Ruff. Muff and Ruff dug a rag rug. Mac ran to Ruff. Mac, Muff and Ruff dug. Rip it up Ruff. Nip at it Muff. Ruff hid in it. Muff and Mac sat on it. A rag rug is fun for Muff, Ruff and Mac. The end. 10 cut-ups. Jig has 1 wig. 2 bugs in a rug. Pup has 3 cups. Mac has 4 hats. Dot has 5 pots. Cat has 6 caps. Ruff has 7 pups. Mag has 8 bags. Muff has 9 rags. Dot has 10 toes. The end. Peg and Ted. Ted and Peg met. Peg had a pet pig. Ted had a pet hen. The pet hen is red. The pet pig is pink. Pink pig is in a pig pen. Red hen is on a big bed. Peg and Ted went. The end. Lad and the fat cat. Beginning sounds for Book 11. L, lamp. K, kite. X, box. Lad had a fat cat. The cat is Kit. Kit sat in a box. Lad sat on a keg. Lad had a nap. Kit sat and sat in the box. Lad did nap a lot. Get up, lad. Get up, Kit. Kit has 6 cats. The end. The vet. Beginning sounds for Book 12. V, Valentine. Y, yo. Z, zebra. The vet got into a van. A big cat at the zoo had a bad leg. The vet had to fix the cat. The cat ran. The vet ran. Yes, the cat can run. The cat ran zigzag. The vet ran zip zap. Zam. The cat and the vet sat. Okay, cat. Okay, vet. The end.